garage, and I don't know whether you remember, if you've been watching my videos, I made these loading coils for my vertical DIY antenna. I had some bits left over from making, I don't know how many of these I've made now, but I had some bits left over. I'm not going to make any more now, and the bits left over, I had enough to make this coil. Let's put these in order. Now you'll notice on this one there's no connector, so this is an experimental one, and I'm not sure how it will affect the signal or the radiation pattern of the aerial if, for example, I thread it in there, or in that one, or in that one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my aerial up maybe on the 20 metre band or the 40 metre band, one of those two. SWR it with the aerial on, probably this one, and add the ector inductor in, and I'm just going to screw it in so you can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. It looks a bit silly, and so I'll set it up for this, whichever band I'm going to use, and I'll put that, insert it into the inline with the other coil and see what the effect is on the SWR. I should imagine it to change it dramatically, but then eventually, when I get some more bits and pieces and scrap, I shall put like an extension in here, rod of like a couple of feet, so there's like that coil extension piece and that coil, and then the whip. Not sure what it will do to the radiation pattern of the actual aerial. I'm not really good with aerials, so it's a bit of an experiment. Now, with the standard longest aerial and 6 sections up on the 40 metre band, the SWR, I don't know if you can see it because of the light, but I'll read it to you. The SWR 7.06 is 1.2 at 7.06 megahertz. The SWR is 1.25, and if I go up 7.1, the SWR is 1.223, and at 7.184 it's 1.7, but I can tune it to how sharp or how deep. I'm waffling. Right, okay, let's leave it at that, and I'll put the other coil in now. I'm trying to display this, but at 5.08 megahertz, oh gosh, this SWR is really sharp. 1.192. I'll see if I can get a screen capture on my phone. With the second coil added, it gives me a really sharp 5 meg dip on the 5 meg band. Absolutely sharp as anything with the second coil, and I'm going to lower the sections down and see if I can have a look what it looks like on the 7 meg band, see how sharp that response is with the second coil. Well, I'm really not sure what it proves or not, but it does actually take the band down to 5 megahertz,